In the previous video, we did part 4 of lesson 1, that was mental addition. In this video, we'll do part 5 by addition and by subtraction. That's coming up. Okay, we'll do a little, let's say, numbers like 9, 19, 18, 38, they are very close to multiples of 10, and this you can see 9 is near 10, 19 is near 20, 18 is near 10, 20 also, 38 is near 40. If I want to add 34 to 9, so instead of adding 9, I know it's near 10, let's say add 10 to 34 to make it 44, and because I had to add 9 not 10, I added one more extra, so take away that 4 to make it 43. So instead of adding 9, we should add 10 and take away 1. Why? Because 9 is near 10, that fact we can use in our advantage. So instead of 9, add 10. Adding 10 is easy, just jump 1. 34 will become 44 and then 43. In your mind, after looking at this addition sum, you should just say it's 34, so 44, 43. Like that, it should be 44 and 43, these two things that's why I'm not making it equal to, it's not equal to 44, but this should be going on in your mind. Okay, do this practice, then we'll move on. Okay, so if we add big numbers, not only 9, let's say 65 plus 19, we want to do this sum. 19 is close to 20, so 65 plus 20 is 85. Why? Because in 10 you have to jump once, and in 20 just jump twice. This is 65, so 75, 85. 85 should be in your mind, and then take away 1 to make it 84. That will be your answer. Because you had to add 20, not 19, you added 1 extra, so that 1 you will take away in the end, and you can add it mentally. 65 will become 75, 85, and then 84. So if you go in slow, the first thing 75, 85, and then 85, then 84. This should be in your mind. So 54, let's say, plus 49 we want to do. 49 is actually 50, near 50. So you will jump 5 times. This is 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, and 104. So you jumped 5 times and then take away 1. It will become 103. That's your answer. That should be natural. I put arrows because 54 plus 49 is not equal to 104. That's why I don't write equal to sign, but in your mind it should be right away 104 and then 103. And with a little practice, this process of thinking is so fast that before grabbing your calculator, or let's say if some other person is grabbing the calculator, before that you will get the answer to the question. Okay, do this practice and then we'll move on. Okay, in this practice we did all the numbers that ended up in 9. That's units digit was 9. But if it's let's say 18, 28, something like that. Now if it is 18, you just jump twice. It means add 20 and take away 2, because it's 2 short of 20. Same, you can jump 5 times and take away 2 in case of 48. If it is 37, let's say, jump 4 times, you have added 40, and then take away 3. Let's say you want to do 38 plus 40, 33, sorry, plus 48. you have to jump 5 times. This is 33, 43, 53, 63, 73 and 83, and then take away 2, so it will become 81. 2 taken away from 83 will give you 81. That's your final answer. Let's do some practice. As I told you, without practice this course is nothing, and with practice this will make you a super not make you a super genius person, but it will make you look like a super genius person. Okay, let's do this practice. I don't say that the numbers that end in 9 or 8, they come often, they come after the, like I did 65 plus 19, so 19 was after 65 and 49 was after 54. It's not necessarily the case every time. Let's say we do 29 plus 55, it's same thing. This is near 30, so 3 times you will jump 55, you will make it 65, 75 and 85, and 85 you take away 1 to make it 84. That will be your answer. So in your mind it should be, this is 55, so in your mind it should be 65, 75, 85 and then 84. These 4 numbers should come in your mind. Do this practice and then we'll do some more. Okay, now we were talking about additions only, but the same logic applies to subtraction also. Let's say 55 minus 19 I want to do. 55 take away 19 is same as 55 take away 20, so jump down 2 times, twice, so 55 will become 45, 35, so 35. In the end you have to add 1, not subtract, so it will be 36 in your final answer. So why you added it? Because you subtracted 20 instead of 19, so you subtracted 1 extra that you have to give back to the answer. So in your mind it should be, this is 55, so in your mind it should be 45, 35, so you jump twice and then you add 1 to it to make it 36. That will be your answer. Before we were jumping up and taking away 1 or 2, now we are jumping down and adding back 1 or 2. That's the difference. It's the opposite of the method we were using. Okay, let's do one more. 61 minus 38, let's say. So 68, 38 is near 40, so you will jump 4 times down. So 61 will become 51, 41, 31 and 21. So you have jumped 4 times and then you add 2. Be careful here, you have to add 2, not subtract 2. So it will be 23. So if you do it mentally, you don't have to write anything. You even don't have to write the answer, just tell them the answer. If it is 61, you jump down 4 times. So 51, 41, 31 and 21, and then you add 2 to make it 23. Okay, do this practice. If you are struggling with numbers or mathematics, this video is for you. And if you are good with numbers, then this video is even more for you because you can help others. In the next video, we'll be doing lesson 2. Lesson 1 finishes with this video. And in that lesson, the lesson name is doubling and halving. We'll do the doubling. See you in the next video.